Preparing for NEET is not just about studying for more hours. It is also about knowing what to study, where you are weak, how your accuracy is improving, and whether your preparation is moving in the right direction. That is where neet.training can help. In this video, I will show you how to use the app in the right way from day one so you can get better recommendations, track your progress, and prepare for NEET with a clear plan to score higher. Click on Start 14-day free trial to create your account. You can sign in using your Gmail ID and get 14 days of free access to the neet.training platform. No credit card is required and you do not need to download any app. Once you sign in, you can directly enter the dashboard and start setting up your NEET preparation. As soon as you sign up, the first thing you should do is personalize your preparation. Here, you need to select your class. You can choose class 11, class 12, or dropper based on your current stage. Next, select your target NEET year. This helps the app understand how much time is left for your exam. Then, set your target score. This is the score you are aiming for in NEET. You also need to enter how many hours per day you can spend for NEET preparation. This is important because the study planner will recommend your plan based on the time you can realistically study every day. Finally, select your mode of study. You can choose whether you are a coaching student or a self study student. Once you save this information, the app understands the basics of your preparation and can start guiding you better. When you first enter the dashboard, you may see zero values in areas like predicted score, subject accuracy, weak areas, and analytics. This is completely normal. The app does not show these reports immediately because it needs your actual practice data first. Once you start solving MCQs, taking quizzes, and attempting mock exams, your performance data will start appearing here. So, the first goal is simple: set up your profile, mark your syllabus progress, and start practicing. The next important step is to go to syllabus mastery. Here you can see all subjects: physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology. Inside each subject, you can see the chapter list. Click on any chapter to mark your preparation status. When you click on a chapter, you will see a pop up like this. From here, you can update your chapter status. If you have not started the chapter, mark it as not started. If you are currently studying the chapter, mark it as in progress. If you have completed the chapter, mark it as completed. You can update this anytime. For example, if you marked a chapter as completed but later want to revise it again, you can change the status. This step is very important because it helps you track how much syllabus you have completed and how much is still pending. It also helps the study planner recommend better chapters for you. You can also directly start practicing that chapter by clicking Practice this chapter. Or if you are confused about the topic, you can click Clear Doubts with AI Tutor. This will take you to the AI Tutor screen with a pre-filled message related to that chapter. You can send it directly or edit the question based on your exact doubt. This makes it easy to move from syllabus tracking to doubt solving or practice without wasting time. AI Tutor is your go to place for doubt solving. Whenever you are stuck in a chapter or a specific topic, you can ask the AI Tutor to explain the topic in simple language. You can ask questions like, explain units and measurements simply. Give me short notes for this chapter. Help me revise this topic. Make a study plan for this week. Motivate me to stay consistent. The main benefit is that you do not have to search across multiple pages or wait for someone to explain. You can ask your doubt directly and get help instantly. AI Tutor can also generate MCQs inside the chat. For example, you can ask, give me 10 MCQs from units and measurements. The questions will appear as MCQ cards inside the chat. When you answer, the app shows whether your answer is correct or wrong. If your answer is wrong, it also shows the correct answer with explanation. This is useful because you can clear a doubt and immediately test yourself on the same topic. All MCQs attempted inside AI Tutor are also saved to analytics. so they affect your subject accuracy, weak areas, and predicted score. The practice page is one of the most important sections in the app. Here, you can select the subject you want to practice. You can choose physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, or all subjects. You can also select a specific chapter. Then you can choose the difficulty level: easy, medium, hard, or mixed. You can also select the number of questions you want to solve. The MCQs follow the NEET marking pattern. You get plus 4 marks for a correct answer and minus 1 mark for a wrong answer. The app saves all your practice results. To get the best recommendations from the app, you should practice MCQs regularly. As a starting point, try to take at least 10 questions from each subject. This is not a strict rule, but it helps the AI understand your performance level better. The more questions you solve, the better the app understands your strengths and weaknesses. Your practice results help the app show predicted NEET score, subject wise accuracy, weak areas, study planner recommendations, chapter performance. So do not just set up the app and leave it. Practice daily so the app can guide you properly. After you complete a practice session, you get instant results. If you answered any question wrongly, the app shows the correct answer with explanation. This helps you learn from your mistakes immediately. Wrong answers are also used to detect weak areas. So, when you make mistakes, the app does not just show a score, it uses that data to help you improve. Along with daily practice, students should also take full mock exams. The mock exam section gives you a real NEET exam simulation. It has 180 questions. You get 3 hours and 20 minutes. The total mark is 720. Each subject has 45 questions: physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology. The marking pattern is the same as NEET. You get plus 4 marks for each correct answer and minus 1 mark for each wrong answer. You should take at least one full mock test every once in a month. Daily MCQ practice helps you improve chapter by chapter, but mock exams help you understand your full exam readiness. A mock test shows how you perform under time pressure. It helps you understand your speed, accuracy, negative marking, subject wise performance, and overall confidence. After the mock test, the app saves your result. It also affects your predicted score, weak areas, and analytics. You can also review your mock test answers after completing the test and check your past mock tests to track progress. Once you start practicing and updating your syllabus progress, the study planner becomes very useful. The study planner is automatically created by the app. It looks at your daily study hours, days left for NEET, syllabus progress, MCQ performance, mock test performance, weak areas, and pending chapters. Based on this, it recommends what you should study today and what you should focus on this week. In today's plan, you can see the chapters and activities recommended for the day. You may see new chapters to study, practice quizzes, revision tasks, or a full mock test. When you click practice or start quiz, the app directly takes you to the right chapter or quiz. The weekly plan also shows how your preparation is structured across the week. The planner updates after every quiz and mock test. So, as your performance changes, your plan also becomes more accurate. The study planner also shows priority chapters. These are chapters the app thinks you should focus on. The ranking is based on weak areas, pending syllabus, PYQ importance, and exam urgency. If a chapter is not started, the app may recommend it for study. If a completed chapter becomes weak in practice, it may come back for a revision. This helps you avoid random preparation. You always know what to focus on next. Let's look at the analytics page. The analytics page gives you a detailed report of your preparation. It combines data from all places in the app. That includes practice MCQs, AI Tutor MCQs, and mock exams. So, wherever you answer questions, the result gets saved and reflected in analytics. You can also filter analytics by time period, such as today, yesterday, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or all. This helps you track both recent performance and long term progress. In analytics, you can track your accuracy trend and see whether your performance is improving or dropping. You can compare subject wise performance across physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology. You can check daily activity to see how consistent you are. You can also see answer distribution, including correct, wrong, and skipped answers. The negative marking section helps you understand how many marks you are losing because of wrong answers. Predicted score is calculated from your saved results across practice, AI Tutor, MCQs, and mock exams. Analytics also shows your chapter performance. You can see your strongest chapters and chapters that need work. This helps you understand what to revise and what to practice more. You can also check the chapter wise breakdown to see your accuracy in each chapter. This is very useful because NEET preparation should not be based on guesswork. Instead of thinking, I am weak in physics, you can clearly see which physics chapter needs more practice. The recent quiz sessions section shows your recent quiz reports. You can see the source, number of questions, score, accuracy, time taken, and date. This helps you quickly understand how you have performed in recent sessions. The College Predictor unlocks after you complete at least 5 quizzes. A quiz can be from the practice page, AI Tutor, MCQ card, or mock exam. Once enough quiz data is available, the app calculates your predicted NEET score and predicted All India ranking. You can also see your predicted All India ranking in the sidebar below the predicted score. The College Predictor helps you understand what MBBS or BDS colleges you may target based on your predicted NEET score and predicted All India ranking. You can select your category, such as General, EWS, OBC, SC, or ST. You can also select the course either MBBS or BDS. Based on your score and category, the app shows possible colleges. The college list is grouped into 3 sections. Safe means colleges you are more likely to get. Realistic means probable options. Stretch means better colleges you can target if you improve your score. This helps students understand not only where they stand today, but also what they can aim for if their score improves. You can also move the score slider to explore different score scenarios. For example, you can check what colleges may be possible if you score 500, 580, or 650. This helps you connect your preparation with your goal. It also gives you a reason to improve your score because you can see how better marks may open better college options. The college prediction is indicative only. It is built using recent MCC Round 1 AIQ closing ranks from 2024 to 2025. Actual options may vary because of state quotas, management seats, counseling rounds, and other changes. So, students should use this as a planning tool, not as a guaranteed admission result. In settings, you can update your preferences anytime. You can change your profile details, class, target exam year, target score, daily study hours, and preparation mode. You can also check your subscription status and access period. This section is useful when your preparation plan or personal preferences change. To get the best value from neet.training, follow a simple daily routine. First, open your study planner and check today's plan. Then study the recommended chapter. If you have a doubt, ask AI Tutor. After that, practice MCQs from the same chapter. Review your wrong answers and understand the explanation. Then check analytics to see where you are improving and where you need more work. Every month, take one full mock test. This routine will help you study, practice, revise, and track your progress properly. Neet.training works best when you use it consistently. Update your syllabus progress honestly. Practice MCQs every day. Use AI Tutor whenever you are stuck. Take a mock test every month. Check your analytics regularly. and follow the study planner to know what to study next? The more you use the app, the better it understands your preparation and guides you towards your NEET goal.